You don't need fame to sell books. You don't need a big audience. You don't need thousands of followers. If you think only famous authors make sales on Amazon, you are already thinking the wrong way. Today, I will show you how unknown authors get sales on Amazon even with zero followers. I am author Peter. I published 30 books in Amazon KDP. Let me clear. I was unknown at the beginning. When my first book published, no brand, no social media following, no ads, then I got sales. Why people believe fame is required? Most beginners think like this. I am infamous. Who will buy my book? If I don't have followers, how will I sell? That beliefs stop people before even they start. Amazon does not work like an Instagram. Amazon work like a search engine. Point number one, Amazon sells relevance, not popularity. This is the biggest truth. Amazon sells relevance, not popularity. When someone searches on Amazon, Amazon shows the book that best match that search, not the author with most followers, not the loudest voice. The book that answers the question. That is why unknown authors get sales every day. Point number two, keywords matters more than followers. Followers help, but they are not required. Keywords matter more. Keywords are what people type into Amazon. If your book matches those words, you appear in the search results. That is why title matters, subtitle matters, description matters, cover matters. You don't need a big audience. You need right words in the right place. Point number three, small consistent sales win. Many authors want to viral success, big launch, big spike, then silence. Amazon prefers consistency. One sale today, one sale tomorrow, one sale next week, small, consistent sales beat big spikes that disappear. This is how unknown authors grow. So this is the key points I would like to share with you. This is good news for beginners. You don't need to be famous. You don't need permission. You just need a clear topic, the right keywords, patience. Amazon does the distribution. Books don't sell because of fame. It sells because of relevance. If you want to build real income, focus on system. Subscribe this channel. In the next video, I will explain how many books you need to get monthly income consistently. See you on the next video.